Hey, Tommy Kissinger, owner of Go Bearded Beard Products Company. We're also a community and a brotherhood for the bearded. Hey, we've been kind of out of the pocket lately. Haven't been doing a whole lot of videos. Been doing a lot of training, been doing a lot of adventures this year. And we're going to do some videos to go over all of that. Been to Colorado a couple times. Been to the Grand Canyon, things of that nature. And so we're gearing up for this time of year to get into this last part of the year. We've got the beard and mustache competition coming up Saturday, November 1st in Baton Rouge at Rally Cap Brewing Company. We want you to be a part of that. And we want to invite you to the website, gobearded.com, G-E-A-U-X bearded.com. Hey, at Go Bearded, baby, we tell you to splash a little bit of oil on it. We're going to put a little oil on here for you, baby. We're going to splash a little on, put a little oil there on the beard, get it on, get everything tightened up, baby. Whew, this is the unscented. Some guys don't want a scent. They just want to have the effects of the oil. We got it, whatever you want, the unscented, or we've got just about anything you need. Look at that, shaping everything up, man. So, hey, we want you to be a part of us. We're all about adventure. It's time to go. It's time to grow. Go Bearded. Check out the website, G-E-A-U-X, bearded.com. Stay tuned for this next part of the year. We're going to be blasting out some videos. Go Bearded, baby.